So I just realized that it's been like 3 months since the last time I posted on this channel. But I didn't realize that at first until someone messaged me on Instagram asking me why I no longer make videos on this channel. And it just hits me. And I checked with the last time I uploaded a video, and it was 3 months ago. That's a long time. That's a very long time. And when I got that message on Instagram, I felt like 20,000, about 20,000 of you guys deserve to know why I haven't been posting videos here frequently. All right. And this is the reason why I'm making this video. So I'm not going to go into any serious editing. This is basically just a freestyle video. All right. Just tell you guys why I haven't been uploading frequently, and to apologize to my loyal subscribers, to those ones who has always been engaging my video. To be very very honest, not too much. I appreciate from the depth of my heart. All right. So I'm making this video just to tell you guys why I haven't been making videos lately. All right. And the reason is simple. That's because I'm learning new course and it's really kicking my ass. So that's why I haven't been making videos here frequently. But when I got that message from Instagram, I thought that okay, this is an idea. So since I'm learning the new course and I'm not really having time to make videos, how about I make videos talking about this course I'm learning, all right, and everything I'm learning so far. And I feel like maybe there are so many people out there who will be willing to also upgrade their skill and learn something new on the internet. So I say this as an opportunity to share my journey with you guys, document everything step by step, and tell you guys the challenges I'm facing, the pros, the cons, how I overcome these challenges, and everything. All right. So basically, I'm just documenting my journey here. So I'm learning the programming skill. I'm learning the programming course, yeah, rather, and it's not a paid course. All right. So I know that many people, whenever they want to go into programming, they think that they need to spend money on buying a course, paying courses on paid sites, and basically just paying people to teach them. But I I I started learning. I came across this free course online on YouTube basically, yeah, and it's so detailed about what I wanted. So I've been following this course up for some time now, and though I'm almost done, I will still recommend the course for you guys. So I'll recommend the channel basically, yeah. I'll recommend the channel. So whatever programming skill you want to learn, this guy has already made videos, almost every video on whatever programming language you want to learn. Basically everything you want to learn in tech, so understand. So he's like this perfect tech bro. So he already has a lot of videos there. So I'm going to leave the link to his channel somewhere in the description below. All right. So you, just in case you guys want to also learn something. All right. So though this is something I will highly suggest. You should learn this skill. It's 2024 and the year is almost over. I think we have like 3 months 3 months to when this year is going to be. We just have 3 months left for this year. Because I'm recording this video on the 1st of October, so we have exactly like 3 months for this year to be over. And if there's anything you should do this year, if you haven't done anything this year, because I understand that it has been very difficult and it's been very hard. It's not been easy for the last 1 year. The last 1 year has been, since this year has been something else entirely. You get, but if there's something you need to do, what I would suggest and recommend for you guys is that learn a skill, learn the tech skill, anything at all. It could be cyber security, could be data analysis, could be data engineering. Just learn anything at all. All right. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. All right. So if you want to learn a skill or anything, you just have to go there. All right, and look at whatever you want to learn. All right, and learn. So basically, what I'm trying to do is that the new skill I'm learning right now, the new programming language I'm learning right now is Python. All right, and I'm almost done, and I find that quite easy. And it's if you're a beginner and you haven't really done anything in Python, in programming, sorry, it's a Python. If I've never done anything in programming, like basically you're just a beginner and you don't know what to do, I would suggest that you should learn Python. So you can just learn Python. When you're done with Python, just choose a framework to learn. Like I'm learning Django, it's one of the framework. Okay, and when you're done, you can just learn machine learning and AI. All right, it's like the hot thing in the market right now, machine learning and AI. So you can just sacrifice 4 to 6 months and do this stuff, and you get yourself a very good skill, and then you can basically get a job if you want to work, or if you want to freelance, or whatever I want to use the skill to do basically. All right, so like I said, what I'll be doing is that I'll be documenting my journey here on this channel. All right, that doesn't mean I won't be posting other videos. I'll also be posting other videos on about tech and also the usual thing that we usually do. All right, I'll also be making those videos, but basically I'm making more videos about my journey so far. All right, on what I'm trying to learn right now. right? So basically that's what this video is for. And the guy I'm talking about, the YouTuber I'm talking about that makes this video, this programming courses video, his name is Brocode. All right, maybe most of you have heard about him. All right, I don't know, but I'm going to leave the link in the description below. All right, so if I have any questions, if I have anything basically want to ask about programming, about tech in general, the comment section will always be open for you. And also you can also contact me privately, and you can contact me privately if you need answers, yeah, or there's something you want to talk about, something you want to discuss about, or basically you want to like jump on a call or something, my DM will always be open. All right, you can just reach me on Instagram at stonupgram. All right, stonup_gram. I'm going to leave it in the description below also, just in case if you want to reach out to me to discuss anything. If you want to get into tech and you're confused, or there's something you just need more light, you need to throw more light, then I'll be willing to do that. All right, so thank you very much, guys. Thank you 20,000 loyal subscribers for sticking by me, for always being there. For I think most of you, I'm glad most of you didn't unsubscribe the last 3 months. All right, I appreciate that. And thank you very much. All right, so if you're new here, I make this easy for tutorial, so I would advise you to like this video, turn on the notification, and also subscribe to my channel. All right, please subscribe to my channel. Also drop a comment in the comment section below. If you're having any challenges, like I said, don't hesitate to leave a comment. All right, just ask your question and I'll answer it to the best of my knowledge. All right, thank you very much, guys. See you in the next. Looking forward to getting on this journey with you guys. All right, see you guys in the next.